The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is accelerating faster than ever, and today may have revealed the clearest sign yet that the stadium is entering a completely new construction phase. Massive new compression ring pieces were lifted into place. Llama installation exploded forward, and both goal sectors are now advancing almost perfectly in sync. But the biggest surprise today was hidden high above the south goal, where a major structural transition quietly changed the future shape of the roof. And honestly, the scale of progress now starting to appear around the stadium is becoming unbelievable. We begin today in the south goal area, where workers have made very noticeable progress on the vertical support structures attached to the black beams. Compared to yesterday, a huge number of new supports have now been installed throughout this section. Many areas that previously only had the vertical unions are now fully reinforced, while other sections are already prepared for the next installation stages. This sector had been moving a little slower recently, but activity has clearly intensified again as crews continue preparing the structure for the future llama installation. Workers were also active today, aligning guide rails between the anchors that will later support the exterior llamas. Using elevating platforms, crews spent the day adjusting and tightening different structural elements to ensure everything is perfectly aligned before the facade installation begins in this section. At the same time, anti-corrosion treatment remains one of the key ongoing tasks here. Several bolts and exposed steel sections still need their protective white coating, while other areas are already fully painted and protected. All of this preparation work is essential before the visible exterior facade can completely cover these structures. Further along the south goal side, a concrete pump was positioned near the upper VIP area, suggesting that more interior structural work is continuing behind the scenes. Several platforms remained active around the false ceiling sector as crews continued adjustments, inspections, and structural preparation tasks throughout the day. Even in areas without massive visual changes, work inside the stadium continues non-stop across multiple levels. One of the biggest highlights today came when another massive compression ring flange was lifted into position in the south goal. This is an especially important moment because it represents the beginning of the new structural configuration in this sector. The pillars are now positioned on the exterior side, while the radial beams extend inward toward the pitch. Near the corner area, the amount of remaining loose pieces on the ground continues shrinking rapidly. More radial beams, flanges, and pillars are already installed high above the stadium, while additional massive components arrived once again today by truck. Workers were also seen welding new structural connection pieces onto the black beams. These elements will later support the future llama system surrounding the exterior facade. The pace in this section right now is honestly very impressive. The diamond structure sector was once again one of the busiest zones around the entire stadium. Workers continued preparing another diamond section using formwork panels, while multiple crews tightened and secured the surrounding structure ahead of future concrete work. There was movement everywhere today in this area. Cranes operating, platforms moving between levels, and workers coordinating tasks across both the interior and exterior sides of the structure. This entire sector continues evolving extremely quickly. One of the clearest visual transformations today came in the false ceiling section near the corner, where llama installation has accelerated significantly. Yesterday, only a small number of llamas were visible in this row, but today, almost the entire front section appears covered. The facade is now starting to create a much stronger visual impact from outside the stadium, especially as more rows continue expanding across the structure. Additional llamas still need to be installed deeper toward the interior pillars, but the progress over the last few days has been very noticeable. Workers are also preparing the neighboring sections with aligned guide rails and anchors, so installation can continue immediately in the next sectors. Inside the structure, cranes and elevating platforms continued working around the mobility core areas. Another structural piece was lifted into position today, while crews prepared the surrounding zones that will later be enclosed with sandwich panels around the elevators and staircases. At the same time, another llama was lifted into the facade area, appearing to complete the front-facing row before workers continued deeper into the interior sections. Over in the North Goal area, activity levels remain just as intense as in the South Goal. A new radial beam arrived on site today, while multiple elevating platforms worked across different levels, adjusting anchors, tightening supports, and preparing vertical unions for future llama installation. The lower false ceiling area has already started receiving alignment guides, which strongly suggests that llamas will soon begin appearing in this sector as well. Right now, both goal sections are clearly advancing together at nearly the exact same speed. Protective painting work also remained very active today throughout the North Goal sector. Several crews were seen applying anti-corrosion coating onto beams, bolts, and exposed steel sections using brushes and spray equipment. Some parts of the structure are already completely painted white, while other areas still require finishing before the facade installation process can continue. Although these tasks may seem minor compared to the giant structural lifts, another thing that stands out right now is the non-stop arrival of new construction materials and structural components. Large support sections, radial beams, flanges, and facade elements continue entering the construction site every single day. Combined with the increasing speed of installation across multiple sectors, the project is clearly entering one of its busiest and most visually exciting exterior phases so far. Inside the North Corner sector, crews continued tightening support tube structures, organizing future lifting operations, and preparing additional areas for installation work. Several llama support sections are still missing around the bracket zones, but workers are clearly laying the groundwork for much larger installation phases in the near future. Meanwhile, nearby diamond structures continue progressing steadily with more formwork panels now visible around the staircase-style sections. The tribune sector was a little calmer today compared to the goal areas, but interior finishing work continues moving forward. One crew appeared to be repairing and smoothing parts of the concrete slab surface before the final finishing process begins. Nearby, large numbers of sandwich panels remain stored and ready for installation around the mobility cores, where significant enclosure work is still pending, especially in the upper sections. So overall, today was another extremely productive day at Spotify Camp Nou. The compression ring continues expanding, llama installation is accelerating rapidly, and preparation work across both goal sectors is becoming more advanced with every passing day. The stadium is now entering a stage where the exterior transformation is becoming impossible to ignore, and the pace of progress around the construction site continues to increase week after week. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more daily Camp Nou construction coverage, and I'll see you tomorrow for another massive update from Barcelona.